Ang tawag dito ay ER diagram, hospital management. May makikita kayo ditong rectangle, oblong, at diamond. Ang tawag naman sa rectangle ay nagre-represent sa entities. At ang oblong naman ay nagre-represent sa attributes. Ito yan. Tapos, ang diamond naman, ito ay ang relationship. May makikita kayo ditong regular at on-call. Ito yung tinatawag na one-to-many relationship. Tapos, ang under naman nitong department ay itong workstation. Tapos, ang meron sa department ay department name, department location, at facility. Sa workstation ay doctor, qualification, department, doctor ID, at contact number. Dito, may operate on patient at regular, patient admit at discharge, at patient discharge. Dito naman, sa patient, ang meron dito ay patient ID, address, patient name, gender, contact number, at age. Dito naman sa operate on ay operate of type of operation, patient condition, at medicine. Tapos, dito naman sa regular ay date, visit, payment, at medicine. Dito naman sa patient admin ay meron tayong advance payment, room number, admit number, condition, mode, payment, patient name. Bago mag-patient admin, meron na dito tayong discharge. Sa discharge ay patient discharge at patient admin. Dito sa patient discharge ay treatment, medicine at payment given at discharge date. Tapos,